Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create poster using an Android device. And in here, I'm going to use the CapCut app to create the poster. So what you need to do is just use a tool on CapCut called AI Poster here. On the menu at the top, you can just tap on expand to see the whole menu, and you'll see the AI poster. So let's just tap on that. Click on allow, and here you need to you can choose between smart script or advanced script. I'm going to just go with smart script. Here you can choose what type of poster do you want to create. You can use product display, promotion, branding, announcement, or personal. So let's just use the announcement. Here you can edit the prompt and announcement poster for an uh for a music concert on. Okay, I'm going to just write jazz music concert on September 27, 2024. And here you can adjust the size and choose the category. I'm going to go with any, and after that you can tap on generate and wait for this CapCut to do its magic. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so after the generating process is finished, you can see that CapCut will show you some of options that you can use uh, to save. Here you can see there are lots of options based on the prompt that you write. Okay, I think I'm going to just use this one's right here. You can click on the poster that you want to use, and after that you can click on edit if you want to, or you can also just click on export directly if you don't want any editing. Here you can change the color theme, you can add tags, you can change the tags if you want to. Here you can see there's the street is not right, you can change it if you want to. And after that you can also add stickers or adjust the size and change the background. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.